Welcome to our education channel. From class 6, the chapter 4 is basic geometry ideas like lines and angles. So geometry concepts especially will begin from class 6th. So all the fundamentals they should know perfectly to improve the basic skills in mathematics. So skill wise I'll explain, and you need to get the PDF file in the link in description below. This chapter is around 28 pages PDF file. So you can get the link in description below and find out and get it. After listening this video, by seeing the PDF sums you can practice. So every concept, every skill, few problems I'll explain, need to practice the remaining thoroughly. Because geometry concepts are very essential from grade 6 onwards. Those will be continuation for 7, 8, 9, 10th classes. First one, we need to only measurement of line segments. Some line segments are given in the page. Once take the printout, keep your scale, measure the scale, and nearest to centimeters. For example, if you keep the scale in the here to here, so how many centimeters are there? So it's depending on the centimeters and millimeters. If it is, you have to always start the scale from the 0 point. Next we have 1, 2 and so on, right? The line is coming in between. Measure each segment in centimeters, they said. So after 1, if it is at 6th line, for example, after 1, if it's coming at 6th line, so it is 1.6 centimeters. So between every 0 and 1, there is a 10 small lines. 10 small lines are there. So 10 gaps, 9 lines will be there, 10 gaps. After 0, if it is 6th line, 0.6. After 2, if it is 4th line, 2.4 centimeters. So complete page, you can take the print, and by measuring that lines using scale, you can write. And round your measurement nearest to millimeters also. So 1.6 centimeters. Now we can write 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. 1.6, so 10 plus 6, so 16 millimeters. So all the ways, both the ways you can practice those pages. So first 4 pages about only measuring the lines. Various types of questions are given. So from the PDF file you can take that and measure and write the answer side of the every line. Right. Let us start the concept first here. First, addition postulate. Basic geometry ideas means. Now Q, this point to here is 4 plus how much? Total length is 13. The length from this edge. This is the both are same light, same edges. Total is 13. Now here there is 4. So how much is remaining? If we keep the P, PQ, QR, total is 13 now. So from total length is 13 units. 4 is given. So remaining on the line is 13 minus 4. So that is 9, because if you add, you should get total. So any scale measurement, if it is, this is the 17. So this also should be 17. Both our lines are parallel, same measurement. 5 is there from here to here. Remaining you will get 17 minus 5. So that is 12. So from total length which is given, you subtract, remaining you will get it. Yeah, same concept you can apply for these all problems. Total length is 17, 9 is there. So remaining is 8. Right? 8 plus 9 is again 17. 6 is exactly center. So one more 6. Yes. So this you need to practice with the other two papers. So 6th page also I am giving same. Next skill is naming the parts of the angles. Many of you are making mistakes to denote the angle. Okay, name the vertex and sides of each of the angle. Now this is the angle here. This is one ray and two rays are joining end at each point at H. Two rays are combining at point H. So H should be at the center. The letter H is at center. Start I and this is G. So you can keep G, H, I. Or you can write I, H, G. Okay, this both are same it is. Vertex and sides. So vertex is H. And this actually denote the angle. Angle part I am saying. But they are asking vertex and sides. So sides are, what are this? Vertex is H. For this, H is the vertex joining part, and sides are HI and HG at the sides. Okay, and angle is just GHI or IHG. Right. Second one, D is the vertex. Vertex is D, and D to E is one side, and DC. These are the sides. Okay. And to denote the angle, we can say CDE, which is the vertex that should be centered. You remember. Even EDC also same. Both are same. It is. Okay. Those type of angles denoting. We'll see the next page also. Okay. So it can continue remaining as it is. Now here I am showing the angles to denote in four ways in this page. Open the 10th page in that PDF. There is name each angle in four ways. In textbooks they will give in different ways. Instead of getting confused, I'm showing all the four ways here. First one is marking at the center. So you can write this as 1 and keep the angle symbol. Angle 1. Or else K is at center here. We can denote angle K. K is at vertex now. Only two L, K, J. Next one L to K, K to J. So L, K, J angle is this, or else J, K, L. So these are the four ways we can denote this. So first, second, third and fourth. Three ways, four ways we can make it. Similarly next, even this second. So angle 4 number is mentioned. Angle D is TF. Okay, letter is not there, so I'm keeping F it is. That means FDE or EDF. Where is the vertex? That vertex letter should be center of the three letters. The three letters should be center. Okay, even this third problem, STU. This is one. Or else UTS. Okay, UTS. T is the center always. Next, angle T or angle 4. We just continue the rest of the problems. Only 4 are there. In this page, around 15 to 20 sums are there. So all we can continue this page, remaining all. So all the pages, like around 11 to 19 pages are, you have the finding different ways angles I am mentioning. I am giving in the next concept in this PDF. Just only classify each angle as acute, obtuse, right and straight. So many diagrams I'm giving in the PDF. You can find out acute, obtuse. Okay, this spelling mistakes given. Obtuse, OBTUSE, obtuse angle, right angle and straight angle. If angle is less than 90 degrees, if angle is less than 90, it is acute. Acute is if any angle is less than 90 degrees. Obtuse is greater than 90 degrees. Right angle is exactly 90. Straight line is angle is equals to 180 degrees. Okay. I'll show here. Now generally this is perpendicular. One line is perpendicular to other line. It's exactly equal to 90. If angle is less than 90, like 60 till 89, this will come under, this is acute. And exactly 90 degrees is right angle. Right? And next one is more than 90. So angle should get, it should visible like more than 90. So this is obtuse. And if angle is the straight, exactly this is 180 degrees complete half of the circle. This is straight. Okay. These are the four ways: acute, right, obtuse, straight. Right angle is exactly perpendicular, two lines to each other. 90 degrees, less than 90 is acute, more than 90. For example, 100. Anything more than 100 is obtuse, and exactly 180 is straight. These are the diagrams I am giving, so many 2-3 pages having the diagrams like this. By observing diagrams, you just mark it which is acute, right, straight, obtuse. All the pages you practice in that way. Then will be perfect, right? Next we have some numbers are given, then you can represent this. This is exactly opposite to it. Classify each angles: acute, obtuse, right angle and straight. 178. Straight is exactly 180, right? Less than 180 all obtuse. More than 90, less than 180. More than 90, less than 180. So this is obtuse. 15 degrees. So more than 0, less than 90 is acute. Just remember, more than 0. That means 1 to till 89. Obtuse is, right angle is exactly equal to 90. Then obtuse is 91 onwards till 179. because 180 is straight. Okay, remember 180 is exactly equals to straight angle. Straight angle. 21 is acute, because acute is 1 to 89. Obtuse is 91 to 179. Right angle is exactly 90. More than 90, it is obtuse. Yeah. This is also obtuse angle, right? Now we have one more page in this worksheet, so you can numbers, so many numbers are given, you can just mark it, which is acute, obtuse, right and straight, those concepts. Next we have relation between angles like complementary, linear pair, vertical, adjacent, alternate interior, corresponding angles and alternate exterior. This is very important in geometry concepts. Complementary angles, linear pair, we have to mark this. So this A and B, which is with having the same vertex, the two angles with same vertex, so linear pair, and vertically adjacent, alternate interior, corresponding. So these all length it is. Few examples I'll show here which is given. For example, second one, if you observe, two lines are crossing each other, then this both, if it's given like this is the opposite angles, so this is opposite to this. Okay, again alternate exterior, alternate interior, those all come in the linear pair. Those are coming when two lines are parallel, and transversal concept will come. Those will continue because also I'm not giving much in this skill. When it is parallel concepts, you come, I'll explain those. Okay, then first you can see this page. So identify parallel and perpendicular lines. Parallel and perpendicular. Okay, so whenever two lines are, distance between the two lines is same throughout, so those are parallel. And perpendicular, if one line is exactly perpendicular, so angle between them is 90 degrees. This is perpendicular. Okay, these lines. Now just only identify here. So that means B and C. So this DC and this line, this is ET. VU are parallel lines, UT also parallel lines. And if a line is perpendicular exactly, for example, this DC is perpendicular to BC, we can mark it. DC's perpendicular symbol is this, to BC we can write. And this U is parallel to V, that is parallel to T in this example. Here also, DE is parallel to FG, we can write. D is, this is parallel symbol, FG. But same DE is perpendicular, this perpendicular similar to EG. Okay. So this is the way we can do it. This is the main thing. Now this angles I'll explain now. Okay, so I'll explain this alternate exterior, alternate interior, and corresponding angles, same side interior, same side exterior. So to diagramize, I need to show you. So similar concepts and diagrams I'm giving PDF, you can practice. Once observe alternate exterior. So with these two lines are parallel, this line is crossing each other, crossing. So these both pages is alternate exterior. And alternate interior, inside, two lines are parallel and this is a transversal, the area between inside. So alternate interior. Corresponding angles is same side, same way. Angles that have the same relative positions in geometric figures. Then same side of interior, same side of exterior. So this inside, same side, this outside, same side. That's why same side exterior, same side interior. Just only diagram and information I am giving in this. You just to go through it. Based on this, you can continue the problems even in this PDF also.